A NASCAR console career. I am playing NASCAR 08. I am doing the NASCAR Truck Series. And we're about to go to Martinsville after a up and highly down Atlanta. Let's just get this over with. Anyone who knows me knows I don't like Martins. I have a love-hate relationship at Martinsville, so this is gonna be interesting. Alright, I'm gonna do some practice, work on my car setup. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, sorry about the weird cut. Did some practice. I think I got a car that I can work with. Time to qualify. Let's see what we can do. Actually, can I? Oop, no I can't. Okay. Oh well, I'll just work with it.
This is lap one. Let's do it.
Nope, too wide. Again wide. Oh, I'm on pole? Yay! And I did terrible. There we go. There we go. Pole! Ole, 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 ole. 2 in a row. Alright. 2 poles. Now this car... Wait, what? It said I'm not on pole. Oh, wait, I am on pole. I don't go by the name. Okay, so... I did make sure this car was for the long run. I did make sure this car was not going to blow up on me. Alright, so, let's go race. Ooh, loose. Alright, if all else fails, I just need to stay low. Can't pass me if I'm on the down here, so... Oh crap, I went wide. Nope. There we go. No. Not this early. No. Okay, that's not good. No yellow. Why is there not a yellow? There needs to be a yellow. I was about to say, where's the yellow flag? Oh, this is my luck. Okay, but I crossed the line second, so do I get to keep the spot? Because I would like to keep my spot, please. No, oh. That's okay. We're good. Who wants to be up there anyway? Not us. We don't need to be up there. We're good. We'll pass them all one at a time. Okay, and apparently that's a thing. Alright. Well, kind of got past them, I guess. So we go. Take our time. Sorry. There we go. Oh, fight me, dude. Oh, I barely punched him. Damn it, no.
Come on, buddy. Hey, if there's something wrong, bring it in. We'll take a look at it.
Okay.
Stop going.
Let's just go to pit road, get everything fixed. It's not that the car is loose or anything, it's just bad driving, I guess. I don't know what's so different. Alright, but let's go ahead and pit. We gotta make a whole lap around, but let's go ahead and pit. Fix all this stuff up. The car's not loose or anything. I don't know. I'm just not driving right. But we're not gonna finish last. Oh, I wish there was a cut scene where we could just cut to pit road, because this just takes forever. Anyone who knows me knows I'm not going to just edit this part out, so, yeah. I'm not going to say, onward to the green flag, like a empty box or something like that. So, yeah. Oh, someone else is coming down too. Probably that guy I knocked his recorder panel in. And that's a lovely wall. Yeah, grill tape. I think we're good on the tape. We're good. I just want to make sure everything's fixed. I mean, it's Martinsville. We're gonna have contact. I know that, but but yeah, that's just bad driving etiquette on my part. That's all my fault. Alright, let's go. Go, 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 go. Yes, I know, I'm last. Let's go. Thank you. Alright. People lost some spots. There we go. Alright. I didn't want that spot anyway. Since I'm not supposed to pass until I get to the flag stand anyway, so it doesn't bother me. It does. I just realized how much I really do not get off the corners well. Yeah, that's the guy I knocked his left rear corner in. Oh, come on! Really? Just keep going, just keep going. No yellow, no yellow. There's a yellow. Maybe not be for me, because I just did a 360 and rolled on. Oh no, it's for me. Who am I kidding? This is just not... Man, I thought I was going to do good here. Alright, let's go. Come on. Thank you. But there's a lot of swap-swapping as far as what's going on track and whatnot. Alright, here we go. Come off the corner. At the absolute worst time to come off the corner. See, right there, it's just jumping. This is just going to be one of those races, isn't it? I'm not going to get anything right. Hey! Not last. Okay, maybe I can get off the corner a little better. Haha, nope. Yeah, y'all can hear it. That tire's skidded. Take your time, Teach. Just take your time. No rush. Get on them brakes. There we go. Easy, easy. There we go. See, that's the thing. It revs in high gear and it sticks out. The back end is coming out. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it is. Ooh, good corner. Good corner. Yeah. Alright, easy, easy. Go, 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 go. There we go. One at a time, one at a time. Off the gas. Light. Floor it. There we go. On the gas. Brakes. Oh, a little wide, but that's okay. Nope, there we go. Good save. That's alright. They're not going to pass me if they're on the outside of me. Hopefully they're not going to pass me on the outside of me. Oh, come on. It's freaking Martinsville. TJ, let's go. No excuses. Can't get frustrated now. Gotta keep my etiquette in check. I mean, I know we're in the back of the pack, but I'd rather be in the back and finish than be dead last and DNF'd. Ooh, got bite. And I got a bump. There we go. Ooh, truck found new life. Yeep. Oh, crap. There we go. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Oh, that corner entry is just working. That's okay. I know he's there.